Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how do those giant rockets actually work? Today, I'm breaking it down in the simplest way possible. Let's start with a little drama. Picture the Earth from space, blue and bright. Suddenly, a rocket bursts through the clouds, flames roaring, climbing higher and higher. But what's really happening here? It all comes down to Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Imagine you're standing on a skateboard, and you throw a heavy ball forward. You roll backward, right? That's Newton's third law in action. Now, swap the ball for rocket fuel. Inside the rocket's engines, fuel burns with incredible force, creating hot gases. These gases blast downward, hard, and the rocket, it's pushed upward with equal force. But here's a twist. On Earth, we need oxygen to burn fuel. In space, there's no air, so how do rockets keep burning? Simple. They carry their own oxygen, stored in special tanks. That way, the engines can keep firing, even in the vacuum of space. Now rockets are heavy, especially with all that fuel on board. But as they climb, they burn through fuel fast. To make things more efficient, rockets use something called staging. Imagine peeling off layers of an onion. As each fuel tank empties, it drops away, making the rocket lighter. Lighter rockets can go faster, higher, and farther. Without staging, we'd need impossibly huge rockets to break free from Earth's gravity. This clever trick lets rockets reach orbit, carrying satellites, astronauts, or supplies for space stations. So, next time you see a rocket launch, remember, it's Newton's third law, burning fuel, self-contained oxygen, and smart engineering, working together to send us beyond our world. And when those rockets finally reach space, carrying dreams and discoveries, it's not just science and math. Rockets are humanity's gateway to the stars. Thanks for joining me on this quick journey through rocket science. If you're curious about how things work, stick around for more.